What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, pag-usapan naman natin ang isang OLA or online loan app na kung tawagin ay OLP or Online Loans Pilipinas. For sure may magsasabi naman ito, at Red, ang dami mong utang, but it's okay. Hindi ko na kailangan i-explain yan. For those of you who have been loyal and who have been supporting me for a while now, thank you so much. Meron akong important announcement at the end of this video. And para naman sa mga bago sa channel na to, and kung mga hilig yung mga topic ay mga online loans or mobile loan apps, then please subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Pag-usapan muna natin si OLP. Well, as usual, magsisimula tayo sa disclaimer. So, kung ayaw nyo makinig sa mga disclaimer, guys, even if it's important, pakiskip na lang. This video is not sponsored and is mostly based on my personal experience. Syempre, aaminin ko, ginamit ko si loan pagkatapos ko ma-apply and ma-approve. So, ipapakita ko yung process kung paano mag-apply kay OLP, but it will not guarantee results, guys, because it was approval is based on the system na algorithms and of course, sa mga info na ilalagay nyo sa app. Pero ipapakita yung process to make it easier for you and para, you know, mapagplanuhan nyo kung anong ilagay nyo. For sure, yung very first na dapat nating itanong kapag naka-encounter tayo ng bagong OLA is, legit ba si OLP? OLP can be downloaded through the Google Play Store. And if you want to know more about OLP, you can go to developer info. And dun sa developer info, makikita mo na na-display ni OLP yung kanyang authority to operate and yung kanyang registration with SEC. May iba kasi mga loan apps, especially yung mga questionable na mga loan apps, hindi nila nilalagay doon. Or if you want to see kung talaga bang totoo yung mga number na nilagay ni OLP doon sa developer information, you can go to the SEC website where you will see na andun nga naka-register si OLP. So yun, legit naman pala tong si OLP. So itong si OLP or Online Loans Pilipinas, meron siyang pakulo. So yung pakulo ni OLP is free yung first loan mo. So yun, zero interest yung first loan mo. Yun nga lang, very short payment period. So you only have 1 week or 14 days to pay, depende yan kay system. But nevertheless, free or interest-free yung first loan mo. So how do you get started with OLP? If you're new to OLP, so you just have, and if you're interested, walang pilitan to guys, and if you're interested, you just need to go to the Google Play Store kasi dun mada-download si OLP. Nandami ko nang sinabi. So guys, how do we get started or paano nga ba mag-acquire ng loan from OLP or Online Loans Pilipinas? So, simple lang naman yung mga requirements niya guys, and you just need at least 5 minutes to complete the application form. They can approve from 1,000 to 25,000. But again, depende yan kay system. Wala namang hinihinging collateral si OLP, and then kailangan mo ay isang ID lang. So, mga acceptable IDs is SSS, TIN, passport, PRC, UMID, student ID, and yun. Also, kailangan mo ng bank account or GCash because doon niya ipapadala yung loan mo kapag dinisburse niya yung pera. So, please take note guys that like many or like tulad ng lahat ng mga OLAs, OLP will request access to some of the things na nasa phone. And kapag hindi mo siya binigyan ng access, hindi mo matutuloy yung pag-apply. So, at this point, kung hindi ka comfortable sa ganito, then wag mo na lang ituloy. But kung kailangan mo ng pera, kasi alam niyo naman, ang hirap naman talagang umutang sa panahon ngayon, then you'll just have to grant them access. And at least, okay naman so far yung kung first time mo sa OLP, ay kung kaya mo man lang siyang bayaran as scheduled, okay si OLP kasi yun nga, 0% interest for first timer. First time mo talagang nabuksan tong si OLA, yung first mo makikita is mga design na yan, kung saan tatanungin niya kung anong amount yung gusto mong applyan. So say for example, maglagay tayo ng 5,000. After nyan, ang next window is hihingin niya yung phone number mo. Kung hindi kayo komportable sa ganitong mga apps, ayaw yung magbigay ng phone number nyo, then this is a part where pwede pa kayong mag-back out, pwede nyo pang i-delete yung app. But kung kailangan yung pera, for whatever reason guys, so bawal yung judgmental dito. So whatever your reason kung bakit mong gusto humiram ng pera, we should all respect that. Let's proceed. So yung first nang hihingin is yung phone number nyo, and pagkatapos mong ibigay yung phone number mo, magpapadala siya ng OTP to verify na ikaw nga yung may hawak ng phone number na yan. Pag na-verify mo na yung phone number with the use of that OTP, yung next yung hihingin is yung full name mo, tapos yung ID na gusto mong gamitin, yung ID number, yung city kung saan ka nakatira, email address, and then yung date of birth mo. So, dapat guys, pag-isipan nyo mabuti kung anong ID yung gagamitin. Andun naman yung list. For guidance, you can refer back to the list of acceptable IDs. Kasi ito rin yung hihingi siya later on ng selfie mo together with that ID. Let's proceed. So, magtatanong rin siya ng nature of your employment, kung self-employed ka, kung ano yung trabaho mo, and then hihingi siya ng isang reference. Isang reference lang naman so far yung hihingin niya, and then pipili ka ng mode of disbursement. So, nasa inyo yan. Kung gusto mo yung bangko mo, or e-wallet, and yung pinakamadali dito is yung GCash, kasi I'm not sure, but marami na sa atin yung gumagamit ng GCash. And then, a little bit below, ipapakita niya yung terms of your first loan. So yun, do not expect na yung 5,000 na in-applyan mo, yun yung makukuha mo. Kaya nga yung sinasabi niya dito, you're applying for a loan, depende sa kung anong i-approve, either 1,000, 2,000, or 3,000 lang. So yan, surprise! And then, 10 days, depende yan kay system, and then 0% interest nga on your kasi first loan mo, and then 0% daw yung processing fee. So ito yung mga variables na medyo questionable guys, but wala daw disbursement fee and 0 deduction daw. Kind of enticing, but it's not always the case. Requirement kasi ito ng SEC sa kanila na kapag nag-loan ka, i-disclose nila yung terms before nila i-disburse yung pera, kasi they want to make sure na talagang desidido kang mag-continue. So, kung comfortable ka with these terms, then just click get money. Kung ayaw mo, pwede ka pang mag-back out guys. I-back nyo lang, i-uninstall nyo. Pero kung decided ka na talagang mag-loan given these terms, then just click get money. And then, after that, yung next window, the app will ask you to create a 4-digit passcode. For your safety, para ayaw nyo ma-hack, huwag nyo gamitin yung birthday nyo as a passcode. So, come up with something else, and at the same time, take note of it na para di nyo makalimutan. So, just come up with something na hindi madaling, mag-guess ng ibang tao. And then, do not expect, like I said earlier, do not expect na kung nag-apply ka ng 5,000 din yung makukuha mo. Kasi, kahit na, for example, in my case, I put 5,000 sa simula, but then yung in-approve sa akin is only 3,000. So, yun, nabigla ako kasi sabi 0% disbursement. Yun, ito, parang sana sinabi nila from the start na magmaminus sila ng certain amount kasi hindi mo makukuha ng buong buo yung first loan mo. In my case, binigay sa akin is 2,900, and yun, may process, ewan ko how they wanna call it, but probably it's still processing fee. Kung fee ng GCash yan, I don't think it's that much. Kasi yung fees ni GCash is parang 20 pesos lang yata. Pero yung binawa sa akin is 100. So yun nga, 0% interest, 0 processing fee daw. Pero nag-minus pa rin siya ng 100 sa first loan. Some important reminders guys before we end this video. Hindi po talagang automatic, as in automatic yung pag-disburse ng pera. So, nung nag-apply ako, nung na-approve ako, nagsabi, ba't wala pa yung pera? So yun, pwede mo naman silang i-contact. Meron naman dun sa app yung contact form nila. Nagre-reply naman sila somehow, pero parang AI yung nagre-reply. But nevertheless, it gives you basic information kung it will tell you kung bakit hindi mo kaagad na receive yung pera. So meron silang cut-off time. So if nag-apply ka after 1 PM na, so baka next banking day mo na siya matatanggap. So makakatanggap ka kasi ng SMS to confirm na pinadala na nga nila yung pera. So guys, it's important na magbigay kayo ng tamang information kasi dami ko na kasing natanggap na mga question, bakit na-approve ako, sabi dinisburse na daw pero hindi ko pa rin natatanggap. So another consideration there is baka next banking day mo siya matatanggap. But kung hindi mo talaga siya natanggap, then baka mali yung number na binigay mo. So you have to be very particular of the information na ibigay mo kay system. Important points to ponder. Kung hindi kayo comfortable na nagbibigay kayo ng personal information sa mga app na to, kasi hihingin niya talaga yun, then huwag nyo nang ituloy. And nasa inyo naman kung gusto nyo. Wala naman tong pilitan So hindi ko naman ini-encourage na manghiram. Yung ginagawa ko dito is nagre-review lang. Kaya ito yung opinion ko guys, and first impression ko dito sa OLP. So, totoo, 0% interest yung first loan mo, pero it's not 0% na processing fee. Tawagin man nila yan sa anong pangalan, but I think I still want to call the 100 pesos na kinaltas nila as a processing fee or whatever. So, hindi mo matatanggap ng buong-buo yung loan mo yung first loan mo sa kanila kasi yun nga, may ikakarta silang amount. Pero yung babayaran mo after 10 days is yun, 3,000. But still, yung nakuha mo, yung net mo is only 2,900. So ito yung first impression ko guys. And I think, given that it's 0% on your first loan, and kung talagang kailangan mo ng pera, wala kang mapag-utangan, I think this one is this one is okay on your first loan. So, yun, kung plano mo is one time, big time lang, and sa tingin mo is kaya mo namang bayaran, hindi ka naman magkakaproblema kung gamitin mo siya only once. If you can take advantage of this one kasi first loan mo 0% interest for as long as sure ka na ma-manage mo to in the long run or after, you know, the 10 days na palugit na binigay sa'yo. So, ito yung first impression, guys. Tingnan natin on the second loan kung okay pa siya. Let me know what you think. So, for my announcement, guys, kasi 11K na tayo, magbibigay ako ng 250 pesos na load. Oh my gosh, bilisan na natin to kasi ang init. Simple lang, guys, yung pipili ako ng pinaka-interesting na question or pinaka-interesting na suggestion 24 hours after kung mapublish yung video na to. And then, magbibigay ako ng 250 na load. So, yun lang yung kaya ko, guys. Kasi hindi ko alam kung paano magpa-giveaway. Your suggestions are welcome. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye!